Hello and welcome to Feasibility Study Training Course, which is offered by Feasibility.pro. In this video, we are going to learn about the course structure of this course. The goal of this Feasibility Study Training Course is to make you awesome in feasibility study. And we will cover the analysis of major business venture including real estate, hotel, restaurant, cinema, and any other business venture. Participants in this program will learn the specialized skills to analyze any business venture and make informed investment decisions. Who should attend this course? Anyone looking to enhance his analytical skills. Whether changing careers or currently active in the industry, this program provides the methods to analyze, structure, and finance business venture. About your tutor, it is me. My name is Nayyar Javed. I'm B.Tech in Civil Engineering and MBA in Finance with 12 years of industry experience. I have done feasibility studies for 200 plus projects covering almost every real estate asset classes you can think of. Total area of completed and running projects is in excess of 2 million square meters. I have handled projects in varied geographies including UAE, Qatar, UK, Far East, and Eastern Europe. I have delivered projects with IRR in excess of 20% to my employer and clients. So what is the course structure of this Feasibility Study Training Course? This course is divided into 10 modules. Module 1 will cover the basic concepts. Module 2 will cover the market research. Module 3 we will learn about the Excel modeling and analysis, which is the core of this course. Module 4 we will learn to do feasibility study for real estate projects. Module 5 we will cover hotel and similar hospitality properties. Module 6 will cover restaurants. Module 7 will cover cinema. Module 8 we will discuss the feasibility study for other business ventures. Module 9 we will learn about writing a feasibility study report. Module 10 is the most interesting module of this course, which will cover the case studies, basic concepts, which is module 1. In this module, we will be discussing the basic concepts of finance, which will be required for conducting feasibility study. We will learn about what is a feasibility study. Why do we need a feasibility study? We will also learn the basic concept of finance like time value of money, calculating and understanding discount rate, cost of equity, weighted average cost of capital, and we will learn some of the return metrics like net present value, internal rate of return, return on investment, payback period. We will also discuss limitation of IRR. We will discuss about cap rate and other ratios. Module 2 is the market research module. In this module, we will be learning the information required to conduct a feasibility study and how can we collect this information. We will learn what are the information needed for conducting a particular feasibility study. We will also discuss making assumptions versus market research, collecting actual data rather than making assumptions. What are the impact of this? We will also learn the source of market research like primary and secondary research and what are the meaning of these. We will learn about collecting data and analysis. Module 3. Module 3 we will discuss the feasibility study modeling and analysis. This is the longest module of this course and core of this learning experience. Modeling best practices and tips, designing efficiently out of Excel and how we will be conducting the analysis. We will discuss the template, format, all this kind of stuff. We will also discuss graphics and presentation, various business types and specific modeling issues because each business have a different business model and they will have entirely different profit and loss statement, which is the key to project the income. Optimizing product mix and pricing, structuring a cash flow model, timing and frequency formats, use of dates or period. Should we use a monthly day, monthly cash flow, annual cash flow, quarterly cash flow? This kind of things we will discuss on how to model it. Modeling timing of cash flow, projecting income, which will be basically the projecting profit and loss statement for the venture or the asset or real estate project or anything else. Calculating operating expenses, constructing profit and loss statement, modeling exit proceeds, constructing balance sheet, modeling delays, project IRR, project NPV, and other metrics. Then we will learn about the debt, applying typical debt coverage ratio and sizing of the loan, modeling financing cash flow, debt drawdown, repayment pattern, interest rates, and debt service. Calculating geared IRR, sometimes call it equity IRR, net present value, and other metrics, optimizing capital structure to maximize the return to the equity holder. We will also learn about other financing methods, use of third-party equity, which is called private equity, structuring a joint venture, preferences and priority of distribution, understanding risk. No business is free of risk, so last portion of this course will cover the risk, what are the risks and how to quantify them, developing sensitivity analysis. Module 4 covers the feasibility study for real estate projects or assets. We'll learn about the cost and income projections, importance of P&L statement. We will be constructing a profit and loss statement for a real estate project. We will learn about how to finance a real estate project. We will also be doing a feasibility study for mixed use development rather than like just doing a feasibility study for a shopping mall or feasibility study for a multifamily house or something like that. We will be doing a mixed use development where there will be a lot of asset classes like hospitality, apartments, villas, shopping malls, all of this kind of assets will be there. Module 5, we will discuss the hotel feasibility study, understanding the business model of hotel, basic concept like average daily rate, RevPAR, constructing profit and loss for hotel ventures, hotel feasibility study. We will be doing a feasibility study for hotel. We will also be discussing some other leisure properties and hospitalities properties like resorts or water park or some of these type of asset classes. Module 6, we will be discussing about restaurant, market research for occupancy and average check size, estimating various costs, equipment and furniture costs, constructing a P&L statement, and then we will be doing a feasibility study for a restaurant. Module 7, we will be discussing about cinema, understanding the cinema business, market research for ticket pricing and occupancy, estimating various costs, projecting P&L for cinema venture, and then we will be doing a feasibility study for cinema. Module 8 we will cover the feasibility study for any other venture. Once you learn the concept of doing feasibility study and you understand the business model of that particular business, then you can do feasibility study for any business. So in this module, we will be discussing the business model, how to understand the business model of a particular venture, what kind of market research and product pricing research you should be doing, and what type of cost and how to estimate the various costs, what are the source of the cost. We will be discussing about this. We will be also discussing feasibility study for online ventures. Module 9, we will be discussing about writing feasibility study report. Feasibility study reports are very important. Once we are done with your analysis, cash flow projection, calculating the RR and everything, then you need to write a report. In this module, we will be discussing the template, what should be the template of the report, how we should structure the report, what items should be covered in the report. Module 10 is the case studies, which is the most interesting part of this course. This is the last and my favorite module in this course. In this module, you will be provided with real-life case studies on feasibility studies. We will be discussing the following: Hilton Hotel and Convention Center feasibility study in Florida, Budget Hotel in Euro feasibility study, University Workforce Housing feasibility study, Quick Service Restaurant feasibility study, Special Economic Zones feasibility study, Export Processing Zone feasibility, Bulk Industrial Park feasibility, City Center Development feasibility, Urban Renewal feasibility study, Commuter Rail feasibility study, High Speed Railway feasibility study in Norway, Public Mass Transit Service feasibility study. You should note that all of these feasibility studies are real feasibility. These projects are already in existence, and the feasibility study which we will discussing here are the feasibility study which are done by some of the best consultants, and at the time when these projects were conceived and they were progressing. So you will know exactly what happened that time and how this project progressed. So how can you join this course? There are two versions of the course. So how should you join this course? There are two versions of this course. One is the basic and other one is pro. The basic version will be costing $149 and the pro version is costing $199. Both will have 11 hours of videos lecture, 10 real life feasibility studies which are the part of module 10. Then you will get 15 plus Excel models of feasibility study of different asset classes which we will be developing through the course. You will get 6 month access to online classroom. You will get Excel formula cheat sheet ebook, free bonus, and Excel keyboard shortcut ebook, free bonus. Both the version comes with 30-day money back guarantee and also with email support. The only difference is that basic version you will not be able to download the videos. Whereas in the pro version you can download the HD quality lesson videos which you can view anytime you want. You can pay by Visa, MasterCard or PayPal or any other method you want to pay. The course details are available at Feasibility.pro. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.